Hallo Leute, willkommen bei German 101 with Shweta. In today's video, we are going to learn the greetings in German, die Begrüßung auf Deutsch. Los geht's! Die Begrüßung, the greeting. Let's learn the formal greetings first. Formal means formal. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Good is good and morgen is morning. So guten Morgen is good morning. And you will say this during the morning time. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Tag is day. So guten Tag means good afternoon or good day. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Abend is evening. So guten Abend means good evening. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht means good night. Nacht means night and gute Nacht is good night. After you say gute Nacht, you can also say schlaf schön means sleep well. Schlafen is to sleep and schön is beautiful. So schlaf schön means sleep well. You see these four here. Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend, Gute Nacht. The first three have guten and Gute Nacht has only gute because Nacht is a feminine noun and the first three Morgen, Tag and Abend are masculine nouns. Also, Guten Morgen and Gute Nacht are not so limited to formal greetings. It can also be informal. You will say this to your family and friends also, right? Now, let's learn the informal greetings. Hi, hallo. I don't need to explain the meaning. Let's understand farewell. Der Abschied. Der Abschied is the farewell. Formally, you will say Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Wieder is again and sehen is to see. So it means see you again. Auf Wiedersehen. If you are ending your conversation on phone, you will say Auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören. Wieder is again, hören means to hear. So it means goodbye on telephone. And informally you will say Tschüss. Tschüss means bye. I keep saying this in the end of every video. Tschüss. Bis dann. Bis dann means till then. Bis means until, dann is then. Bis bald. Bald is soon and bis is until. So it means see you soon. Bis bald. Bis später. Später is later and bis is until. So it means see you later. Bis morgen. Morgen is tomorrow and bis is until. So it means see you tomorrow. You see the difference here. Guten Morgen and bis morgen. The M in Guten Morgen is capital and it means morning. And M in bis morgen is small and it means tomorrow. Alright? So guys, this was about the greetings and I hope this video is clear to you all. In case if you have any doubts, then please leave your questions in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Tschüss!